Hi guys, today I wanted to show you how to update your computer drivers or applications that can. Now, first things we're going to look at are just the simple program in every computer that is Windows. Now you can do this in Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows 10, and of course Windows 8. Now, generally on Windows Vista or Windows 7 you could search it, but Windows Vista you're going to have to find it in your control panel, which generally isn't that hard because you could search for it on there. Now we're going to search for Device Manager, and that will pop up. Usually this gets mixed up with your printer devices and printers all the time, and you'll click on this and be like, well, what's this? And then you'll probably exit out. But this is all your drivers for your various things like your mice and stuff, just the software that helps it run. Now I'm going to show you how to update and how to find out where you can update it if you can't update it from your computer. Now let's go to my NVIDIA display driver. So we're going to go to Properties. First of all, if you would click down here, go to your drop down menu and go to your display adapter, and you would right click, go to Properties, and this shows all your information about your driver, and this is pretty much what you would search if you needed to find one on a website. But then we would go to Driver, and this will show your details. Mine takes a little bit here. Alright, that's taking a little bit, so I'm going to go into Task Manager and close that out real quick. Okay, we're going to open that back up, go in there. But you can go on here and go to your driver, and this will have your update, your rollback. Your rollback is if you have a new update for your driver and it's causing all kinds of problems, you could always go back to the previous version. It's rare that you'll ever need to do that, but I've had to do it before for other computers that I've had to fix. So this could be a thing that you would need to use. Now, generally with most drivers that are just Windows or normal computer drivers, you can just go to Update Driver, and you can search automatically on the internet for drivers that you would need for your computers. So for stuff like monitors or network adapters that are built into your computer, you could find those pretty easily by doing that. Now other things like, let's say you have a integrated graphics port, and which is just the basic graphics card that's built into every computer, and you can't find a driver for it through the updating. So what you could do is just type it into Google. So I'm going to search mine, and of course I'm going to go to the website of my company that I buy it from, and generally it'll have your drivers right here, or in other websites it'll take a little bit to find it, but generally it'll have a driver menu, and you want to go to all the drivers that are in there, and you can search for your product, and it'll find all your drivers that you need. You would download that, and then here, let's get back into Device Manager. After you download it, you would go back into here, go back to your properties, into your driver. Now let's say you want to update your driver, but you can browse your computer, and wherever you save that driver to, you would click on it, press OK, and then next, and it would update it for you. And now let's say your computer came with a disk that you had to download an application for to update. Generally, like mine's NVIDIA, it'll look for it for you when you start your computer if you have it set to automatically update. Now if you turn that off, which I showed in a previous video on how to, so you could save space and time and not use your internet connection in your background while you're using it for more important things. But this opens this up, and generally it will scan you can have it scan your computer or stuff like that, and it will bring up all the drivers that you need to update. You can download like an HP Let me find out what it is for you guys real quick. I'm going to find the right one for you guys here, because there's a lot of knockoff ones that could damage your computer and cause all kinds of problems, and I don't want you to get the wrong one. So you can go directly to HP's website if you're using an HP computer, and it'll take you directly to your software and drivers that you need to download, and you can find out what yours is by clicking on, let's say we're doing a graphics card. Oh, I definitely didn't put that in all the way. There we go. Alright, that's car. Oop, what happened there? Come on now. Alright, let's try this. Okay, that's not working. But anyways, you could go through here and search or type in your exact product name. Like mine's an NVIDIA driver, so I could type in NVIDIA. Probably won't show up on here, but it's worth a try. But it would show your product and what drivers you should download for your types of computers. Like there's a Windows 7, a Windows XP, and a Windows 10. You want to make sure and download the one for your operating system, because if you don't, it could cause all kinds of problems and even make your computer crash. That's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed or if this helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.